You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this town in England. If you want to learn more names of English places that are confusing and often mispronounced, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons of them coming up. Northampton. North, yes, just like north, and then Ampton. Northampton, England. Pretty straightforward once you know Northampton. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.